In our day-to-day roles as security and health and safety officers, communications are vital. Here at Claridge's we use our radios to communicate between all departments and most importantly between me and my colleagues. They're used for short, sharp messages and transmitting of information on an effective and quick basis.
I've used Motorola radios for around 15 years now. They're always very reliable. We've never had a radio breakdown on this.
The radio needs to be small so that it's not obvious to any of our guests that I'm wearing a radio. And also because we do such long shifts, we do 12 hours plus on our shifts, the more comfortable and lightweight the radio is, it's a benefit to us as an end user, definitely.
The SL series is an ideal fit for Claridge's due to the fact that it's so small and light. It fits in with their uniform policy. It doesn't appear obtrusive to clients and it allows them to go about their day-to-day business.
The Motorola SL series is fantastic. It's really lightweight, it's very easy to use. A lot of the times when we communicate with the luggage porters, we need to do it when the guests are actually standing in front of us, so it's difficult to do it in a subtle way, but the SL series really helps with that because it's very small and it's very convenient.
The new radios themselves are quite a leap forward in what I've used in the past. It's the biggest step forward that I've seen in my user as a radio user. They're much more far advanced in how light they are compared to what I currently use. They're very, very user-friendly.
Who knows what's going to happen from day to day? I mean, every day throws something different at us. Two-way radios are instant communications. And in the middle of an incident that we're dealing with, we need the communication to be instant. Using the new Motorola SL series is doing that fantastically well.